Sitting on the deck, feet up, wide grins.
Friends around and the weekend begins.
Snags on the barbie, smells just right.
Tongues click twice, yeah, it's Friday night.
Paper plates, hands full, laughter rolls.
Wine in jars, the good stuff flows.
Mallacoota Lake just winks below.
Catching every color we throw.
There's half an hour of light left here. Sun's not done, the skies are clear. No big plans, just all feels right. Barbecue smoke and golden light. Feet up, stories flying free. Tunes on low and good company. If this is all the night will be, it's perfect, honestly. Someone makes a toast too late. Spills a bit, it's always great.
Clouds go pink, the breeze leans in. Someone's halfway through a silly grin. Moon pops up like, hey, I'm here.
Jupiter's first, crystal clear.
Stars show up like they were missed.
One more glass can't top this bliss.
Hey!
There's half an hour right left here. Sun's still smiling ear to ear. We've got nowhere else to be, just right here with you and me. Good tunes, soft breeze through the trees. Mates, jokes, and one last cheers. If this is all the night will be, it's perfect, honestly. Look,
No phones,
no stress.
just a deck of you and this.
Some nights don't need a thing, just laughs aflame and how we sing.
Ooh, there's half an hour of light left here. Deck lights warm and voices cheer.
Mallacoota in the glow.
Not a single need to go. Snags are gone.